While COVID-19 pandemic has caused severe damage to most of the sectors, the automobile sector is no exception. But on the other hand, fear of taking public transport due to risk of infection has presented opportunities for auto majors, especially in the passenger segment. In today's segment for Ideas for Profit, we will be discussing Lumax Industries as it could be a beneficiary of this trend. The company is engaged in manufacturing and supplying of lighting solutions to automobiles. Lumax Industries generates around 94% of its revenues from the passenger vehicle and two-wheeler segments. Demand in both segments has recovered sharply after lifting of the lockdown. And from the quarterly numbers, it is evident that the recovery is V-shaped. Lumax net revenues declined merely 7.5% year-on-year. Despite negative operating leverage, the company reported EBITDA margin of 9.3% in Q2 FY21. The leader in the PV segment, Maruti, is the company's largest client, generating around 37% of total revenue in Q2 FY21. As Maruti is witnessing strong demand, it is a driver for Lumax. Another prominent player in two-wheeler segment is HMSI, which is company's second largest customer, generating 17% of total revenue in Q2 FY21. An important trigger for the company is the wider adoption of LED lights, which constituted about 35% of Lumax sales in the last quarter. As newly implemented Bharat Stage 6 rules require vehicles to be more energy efficient, there is a huge potential for the segment, leading to faster adoption of LEDs. The company has bagged orders which are also expected to aid its financial performance. Overall, the management expects a strong second half of the current fiscal. But investors should know that any slowdown in demand could hurt financials. Moreover, adverse commodity prices could increase raw material costs and hurt operating profitability. At present, Lumax is trading at valuation of 14.6 times FY22 projected earnings, which is very reasonable. We advise investors to buy this business from a long-term perspective.
It is rare to get information that is tailor-made for you. In this era of clutter, Money Control, India's #1 financial destination, has launched Money Control Pro, an ad-free premium service that offers you subscribers curated markets data, exclusive trading recommendations, and actionable investment ideas, which help you stay on top of your game. In less than a year, Money Control Pro has become India's fastest growing subscription service, with more than 1.2 lakh active subscribers and growing by the minute. We are grateful to all our loyal users for making Money Control Pro an undisputed leader in its category, with several corporate giants subscribing in large numbers for their employees. Subscribe today for a seamless, uninterrupted access to a gamut of business and financial information. Be a pro with Money Control Pro.